The MAPS 3 State Fairgrounds Improvement Project is well underway at State Fair Park with the construction of the new Expo building. This construction tour will highlight the major features of Oklahoma City's newest and largest event space. The 279,000 square foot facility sits southeast of the Jim Norick Arena, replacing the Travel and Transportation Building and Carriage Hall. Nearby, you'll see the new MAPS 3 parking lot, which added 2,449 parking spaces. A signature feature will be the facility's 12,000 square foot entrance, where glass and translucent panels will create an open, light-filled atmosphere. Inside the hall, subgrade foundations have been set in preparation for the concrete floor. The building's open floor plan was designed for maximum flexibility to accommodate a wide variety of events. Inside, the 201,000 square foot exhibit hall will host auto and boat expos, trade shows, and more. The new building will also include an 11,000 square foot commercial grade kitchen. The contractor is now placing the roof, which is almost finished. This completes the construction site tour of the MAPS 3 Expo building. For more information on this and other MAPS 3 projects, visit okc.gov/MAPS3.